let's talk about how to garnish the outside of your loaf. It's a great way to add a little bit of extra something to the aesthetic of your bread. It's a great way to add an extra layer of flavor because these seeds get all nice and toasted once you go and you bake it. The way that I'm going to show you how to do this is I've got my pre-shaped bread. It's properly fermented. I portioned it, pre-shaped it. It is rested, so it's ready for final shape right now. I've got a damp towel. And then I've got a mix of sesame, sunflower, flax, and Nigella seeds. Again, it could be just sunflower, it could be just sesame. It doesn't really matter. You know, I've seen folks do fennel seeds in there. You know, really be creative here. And then I've got my proofing basket that I'm ready to go into. So, like normal, you'll prep your basket, a little bit of your basket flour in there, a little bit of flour to work with, and I'm going to take my loaf and shape it as normal. And then once it is properly shaped and tight like this, I'm just going to scoop it up, roll it on the wet towel, and then roll it on the seeds. And as you can see, it coats and sticks very, very nicely. Okay, and then seed side down or seam side up in the basket. Anytime you want something to stick to your bread, you do need to get it wet. For that, I use a nice damp towel like this to really get the seeds to adhere really quite nicely. So proof this as normal and then bake as you normally would.